examining the buffer standards for physiological pH of the buffer N,2-acetamido, to aminoethane sulfonic acid in the range 5 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The zwitterionic amino acid buffer solutions have been previously studied by different authors for the purpose of pH measurement control in the physiological range of pH. The goal of these studies is to provide pH values for the N,2-acetamido, to aminoethane sulfonic acid, ACES. Electromotive force, EMF, measurements of the cell PT, S, H2, G, ACES, M1, plus NAAC. ES, M2, plus NaCl, M3, AgCl, Ag, S, have been carried out from 5 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The agreement of pH values between the two calculated, extended Debye-Huckel and liquid junction correction, is excellent. 2 buffer solutions without the chloride ion and 7 buffer solutions with NaCl at an ionic strength, I is equal to 0.16 mol per kilogram, similar to that of physiological fluids, have been studied. The pH values for these buffer solutions have been evaluated in the temperature range of 5 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius using the extended Debye-Huckel equation of the Bates-Guggenheim convention. Values of the residual liquid junction potential delta Ij between the ACES solutions and the saturated KCl calomel electrode solution have been estimated at 25 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius from the previously determined EJ values using the flowing junction cell to determine the operational pH values at 25 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. These ACES buffer solutions are recommended as secondary standard reference solutions for pH measurements in the range of physiological application at I is equal to 0.16 mol per kilogram. The main application of these pH data is to establish a unified pH scale applicable to a wide range of ionic strengths for practical pH measurements. Introduction. Some of the most widely used biological buffers are compounds based on tertiary and secondary aminolcanase sulfonic acids and their salts, Long et al., 2010. The zwitterionic amino acid buffer solutions recommended by Good et al., 1966, Ferguson et al., 1980, have been studied in the author's laboratory for the purpose of pH measurement control in the physiological range of pH. While these compounds provide good coverage of the physiological pH range and above, they have not been as widely useful in biochemical studies at acidic pH levels. Other classes of buffers that are usable in acidic pH ranges can be problematic in biochemical studies because of toxicity or metabolic interferences, i.e. citrate, borate, phosphate, Pilot et al., 2018. Conclusions. This study measured the pH values of 4 ACES buffer solutions at 2 temperatures, 25 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius, using a special type of electrochemical cell. The goal was to assess how suitable these buffers are as pH standards, particularly for clinical lab use. The pH values found were between 7.1 and 7.6, making them useful for environments needing stable, near-neutral pH levels. The measurements were carefully analyzed to understand possible errors, which were found to be very small, keeping the uncertainty in pH within just 0.01 units. Researchers are also working on improving the accuracy of these pH values using a more advanced theory of ionic interactions. The ultimate aim is to help create a more consistent and reliable pH scale that works well across different conditions and solutions.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.